If you have an idea for a startup, Canada will provide the most support for your venture and the biggest reward for your efforts. Besides giving access to venture capital, Canada, unlike most other countries with similar business programs, relieves you of your immigration worries by granting you permanent residency status and letting you focus on successfully running your business. Hi, I'm Alex Tido, a Senior Immigration Counsel with World Migration Group. Why should you consider Canada as the business destination for your innovative idea? Let's start with some convincing facts. Canada has lower taxes on small business than any other industrial country. The country's economy is stable and political environment is predictable. There is a great pool of talented professionals in high-tech, finance, management, and marketing. In comparison, our experience with U.S. business immigrants shows that American regulators make it incredibly difficult for entrepreneurs to acquire a green card. In 2013, the Canadian government introduced the Startup Visa Pilot Program that will last until April 2018. What does it mean to a potential applicant? Pre-selection and file processing takes on average between 1 and 2 years, which means that worry-free deadline moves to somewhere around spring of 2016. Starting your immigration process with WMG has some clear advantages. For example, our initial due diligence will recognize the real value of your proposal. If the idea is viable, then your file will be presented to investors. Once this step is complete, we then transfer your immigration file to the appropriate processing center. Only then may the candidate arrive to Canada to actually start his or her business venture. But remember, it's not the investor's job to worry about your eligibility for immigration. The bulk of the work lies in figuring out which startup stream is best suited for any particular applicant. The venture capital stream requires at least $200,000 in initial funds. It can be perfect for businesses that are established. They have some revenue, they need capital to develop a product or fund a marketing strategy. The angel investor stream requires $75,000 investment commitments. It will work for those solo entrepreneurs who form the idea, but they need some cash to take it to the next level. The incubator stream, which doesn't require any initial capital, is perhaps the most lucrative option. Since there is no financial requirement, incubators are really ready to provide a working environment for the project. To summarize, if you have a clean criminal record, no serious health issues, and you have already secured support from the Canadian investor, then we see no reason for the Canadian government to reject your PR application. Oh, and by the way, if your business idea doesn't work out by the time you become a permanent resident, you will keep your PR status, meaning you will continue to live and work in Canada legally and permanently. So there you have it, the Canadian Startup Visa Program. To find out more, click the link in the description and get in touch with us to discuss how you can take the stress out of immigrating, get necessary funding, and bring your innovative business idea to Canada. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.